Fuel cells. Now, production of electricity by thermal plants is not very efficient because it is a major source of pollution. What happens in such thermal plants is that chemical energy, that is heat of combustion of fossil fuels, is used in converting water into high pressure steam. The chemical energy of combustion of fossil fuels. What are the fossil fuels? Coal, gas or oil. It is used to convert water into high pressure steam. Water is converted into high pressure steam. This steam is then used to run turbine to produce electricity. But in galvanic cell, chemical energy can be directly converted into electricity. In thermal power plants, the chemical energy is converted to electricity through these various steps, whereas in galvanic cell, chemical energy can be directly converted to electricity. Nowadays, it is possible to make such cells in which reactants are fed continuously to the electrodes and products are continuously removed from the electrolyte compartment. Reactants are supplied to the electrodes and products are removed from the electrolyte compartment. Galvanic cells are designed to convert energy of combustion of fuels, means conversion of the energy of combustion of fuels like hydrogen, methane, methanol, etc. directly into electrical energy are called fuel cells. Whatever energy is released during the combustion of fuels is converted into electrical energy. This kind of cells are known as fuel cells. One of the most successful fuel cells uses reaction of hydrogen with oxygen to form water. Means here hydrogen is acting as the fuel. Combustion of hydrogen in oxygen to produce water is used to produce electricity. The cell was used for providing electrical power in the Apollo space program. Water vapor are produced during the reaction, were condensed and added to the drinking water supply for the astronauts. Now, what kind of electrodes are present in this fuel cell? The electrodes that are present are made up of porous carbon and catalysts like finely divided platinum or palladium metal are incorporated into the electrodes. What is the function of these catalysts? The function of the catalyst is increasing the rate of electrode reaction. And in this fuel cell, hydrogen and oxygen are bubbled through porous carbon electrodes into concentrated aqueous sodium hydroxide solution. So, electrolyte is aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. Now, the reaction taking place are at the cathode, oxygen plus water, 4OH minus ions are formed. This is the reduction reaction which is taking place at the cathode. Oxygen is getting reduced. Anode, H2 plus 4OH minus forming 4H2O plus 4 electrons. In this reaction, hydrogen is getting oxidized. So, at cathode there is reduction of oxygen. At anode there is oxidation of hydrogen. The overall reaction will be on adding the reaction of cathode and anode. What happens? 4OH minus ions on both the sides. On the opposite sides get cancelled. 4 electrons present on opposite sides get cancelled and 4H2O minus 2H2O on the product side 2H2O will be remaining and overall reaction is 2H2O plus O2 forming 2H2O. So this is the reaction in which hydrogen is undergoing combustion in the presence of oxygen and water is formed. Now, as long as the reactants will be supplied, here hydrogen is supplied, from this side oxygen is supplied. So, as long as the reactants are supplied, the cell will work. The cell runs continuously as long as the reactants are supplied. Now, fuel cells produce electricity with the efficiency of 70% compared to thermal plants whose efficiency is only 40%. New electrode materials have been developed, better catalyst, electrolytes for increasing the efficiency of fuel cells has been developed. These fuel cells have been used in automobiles on experimental basis. Advantages of these fuel cells are that they are pollution free. They have greater efficiency, and in view of their future importance, a variety of fuel cells have been fabricated and tried. So, two major advantages of fuel cells is they are pollution free and the second one is their efficiency is higher than the thermal plants.